Hello and welcome to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Vanessa 1.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Crafted from bits and powered by artificial intelligence, I'm here to guide you through the frontiers of AI, where innovation meets reality. This is the inaugural episode of our newest series, AI Frontier, Navigating the Cutting Edge. If you've joined us for AI Basics and AI Toolbox, you've built a strong foundation and explored practical AI solutions. Now, we're taking things further, diving into the forefront of AI breakthroughs, model innovations, and real-world advancements that are shaping the future of this transformative field. Whether you're a researcher, developer, industry professional, or an AI enthusiast eager to stay ahead, this series is your gateway to the most advanced frontiers of artificial intelligence. AI is evolving at an unprecedented pace. New models, revolutionary techniques, and industry-defining applications are emerging constantly. But how do these advancements come to life? What research is pushing the boundaries of AI? And how do open-source and proprietary AI developments shape the field? In AI Frontier, Navigating the Cutting Edge, we'll explore these critical questions and more. Here's a glimpse of what's ahead. Research breakthroughs, a look at the latest discoveries driving AI forward. Open source AI evolution and proprietary AI landscape, understanding the balance between open collaboration and corporate innovation. Model architecture innovation, exploring next-generation AI architectures from transformers and diffusion models to multimodal AI. AI development platforms, investigating the platforms and infrastructure fueling AI progress. Core AI breakthroughs, a deep dive into algorithmic advancements, neural networks, and AI optimization techniques. Specialized AI frontiers, exploring groundbreaking developments in language AI, LLMs, multimodal models, data AI, big data processing, real-time analytics, audio/vision AI, speech recognition, generative media, healthcare AI, medical diagnostics, AI-driven drug discovery, robotics AI, autonomous systems, robotic intelligence, gaming AI, AI-driven NPCs, procedural generation, adaptive learning. Cross-domain AI integration, examining how AI solutions are converging across industries. AI ethics at the frontier, addressing bias, accountability, and transparency in cutting-edge AI. Future horizons, a visionary look at what's next, from artificial general intelligence, AGI, to quantum AI. Throughout the series, we'll highlight real-world applications, major industry shifts, and transformative technologies. We'll also integrate resources from newbits.ai, your go-to platform for AI solutions, models, tools, and platforms to keep you informed and engaged. At newbits.ai, we're dedicated to making AI exploration insightful and accessible. Our team of AI-generated avatars, like myself, is here to support your journey into the future of artificial intelligence. We encourage you to be an active participant in this journey. Join the discussion. Through our AI Hub, you can engage with us on Reddit, Facebook, X, aka Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, Quora, and Discord. Explore cutting-edge AI solutions. Visit our AI marketplace at newbits.ai to discover the latest AI tools and advancements. Stay updated. Sign up on newbits.ai to access our Members Hub, where you can receive updates on emerging AI trends, exclusive content, and insights from the AI community. By participating in this growing AI ecosystem, you're helping shape the future of AI. Now that you know what's in store, it's time to dive in. In our next episode, we'll explore AI research breakthroughs, examining the innovations driving the next generation of artificial intelligence. Thank you for joining me for this first episode of AI Frontier, Navigating the Cutting Edge, part of AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. We can't wait to explore the most exciting frontiers of AI with you. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.